Welcome. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. This is Christmas Day as we record this. I have a gift for you. I take this very seriously. Every Christmas I will bring something that is special. And I have saved these all for you. These are the biggest, and I do mean biggest, not best, animated shorts of the year. So 2021, we're talking Bounty. They all have over 1 million views. So that's how these were decided. WindUp, which has 12, which is insane. Umbrella with the most at 19. Fueled 1.2. Are You Okay, which is surprisingly at close to 5 from the Fight Child Abuse. So some of these will be sad, you know what I mean? Like it just comes with the genre. And finally we're going to end on Pibby. Pibby took the world by storm when this came out. And if some of them are sad, you know, most will, I'm guessing. This one is the opposite. So that's why I put it at the main event. This is balls to the walls. Apparently, have not seen any of these, which is where the gift comes from. We're watching them together. I am presenting them to you. So yeah, minimum commentary. But yeah, Pibby, insanity. Apparently. Again, 14 mil. I'm surprised Umbrella beat it, which is pretty crazy when you think about it. So we're going to start with Bounty. All I need to know is that this is an ex-bounty hunter. So without further ado, I'll check chat in between. But here we go. Merry Christmas. Dang, starts bloody. Apologies. I would have given you a gore warning, you know what I mean? But it shows you the breadth of what we're talking about here. They're all going to be so very different and beautiful in their own way. Dang, Dark Dream. That was a woman too. My guy's a killer.
What are you doing up so early?
The volume.
Bro?
That's on me, my bad. That's on me, my bad. This whole time. That opening scene would have just been darker, you know what I mean?
What are you doing up so early, kiddo?
Happy Father's Day, Papa! I made you breakfast.
Did you?
All by myself.
You did. Thank you, darling.
The flowers looked really pretty today, so I picked some for you. I got the meal too.
Oh, Evie, you didn't have to do that.
I know you were waiting for the paper, so I wanted to get it for you.
The paper came? I haven't gotten one in weeks.
So I believe this is a student project, like for finals, you know?
Did you open this, Evie?
No,
Evie.
I didn't. There wasn't even anything cool inside. Just an ugly man for sale. You think he's that ugly?
Don't open anything without asking me first, okay? Even if it's from your uncle.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Papa.
That's like a Wild West
Come
poster.
on. I'll help you with your plate.
In a saloon, wanted. $10.
Who was that man in the letter?
I don't know. Some bad guy worth a lot of money.
Why did Uncle Benji send you his picture?
Who knows why Uncle Benji does anything?
He sends you those kinds of pictures a lot, though. Why does he keep sending them to you?
I used to catch those people for him, back in the day. Your uncle doesn't know what the word retired means.
You used to catch bad guys like a superhero?
Not at all. Oil the pan first so the eggs don't stick.
Not at
Then
all.
put your fingers near the crack, pull apart, clean like this.
Nicest way you could say that.
Here, you try.
Do you know what
You're a
murder
natural.
is?
Now turn the heat down low so you don't burn the eggs. Patience is the key.
What kind of people did you used to catch?
Just regular bad people who do bad things.
Bad people? You mean like Open up! You haven't been flossing lately, have you?
The dentist is not a bad guy just because he always finds your cavities, Evie.
Welcome to the farmer's market. Nasty veggies for low, low prices.
Vegetables are delicious. I don't know what you're talking about.
What a cute Halloween costume, Evie. Here, take some candy corn.
No, okay, I'll admit, people who give out candy corn are criminals.
Like raw in the
If
bowl.
only I could have been chasing people like that. Would have liked the job a whole lot more. Bacon's tricky. You got to be careful with it because it'll fight you back. Ooh, watch out! Ow! Ow! I told you to be careful.
Do your worst. I'm not afraid of you. Why did you stop catching bad guys, Papa? That sounded like such a cool job.
Man, such a cool concept. Goes from dark to light
Stop! Stop!
without effort.
What? The sausages don't look done yet, Papa.
Sorry. You're right. Couple of more minutes.
This looks so yummy. Thanks for helping me, Papa.
Anytime, kiddo.
You never answered my question, though. Why did you stop catching the bad guys?
Who knows why we do anything?
You always say that when you don't want to answer me. It's not even that complicated, Papa.
It's not?
For example, I made you breakfast because it's Father's Day, and I wanted to do something for you. Why did you help me make mine?
I wanted you to have a nice breakfast, too. Show you the right way.
That's why.
What?
For other people. That's why we do things.
Wow. What a weird note to end on, you know? It's very real, though, you know? No. Really?
That's why we do things.
Damn. I take it back. That's crazy how good that ending is. Damn. Yeah, that's a good start. It's crazy how much it elevates everything else. You know, to me it was just about the separation of his violent past with just being a father, right? Any killer on Earth. Because there's plenty of killers, man. You know, even just people that go to war, they're killers just in the literal term of the word. Not in the bad way we describe them. And, you know, if they're fathers, they have to separate it, even though they can't. You know, it's a part of you. But yeah, that ending, that makes it a story. That makes it an animated short that, you know, it's just a good story. It's just a great piece of art. And beautiful stuff. WindUp is next. Here we go. Dang, what an ending. Again, I'm watching the biggest animated shorts of the year. All of these have over 1 million views, if not over 10. Like this one. Oops, I messed up the volume every time. I'll remember, I promise. So this was made in Unity, which is a game engine. It's probably the most well-used engine for indie games. promise we're ending on a banger. Some of these will be sad. They have to be. And that just looks like a bad head injury. Like a coma. It's crazy we went from a student 2D film about a murderer to a 3D showcase for a game engine. That's animated shorts for you. That swing looks dangerous. It's like hard steel metal, you know? Those corners. I mean, bring a switch or something. It's like a horror film. You're just waiting for disaster, you know? Joking about the horror movie. This movie works. Oh no. Man, the detail's insane. Just the screws. world. That was an affecting scream. Again for a video game engine. Ah, man. Yeah, it's a big team. Makes sense. And it's crazy because for all the beautiful animation and the storytelling, like the music's the best part. This is proof of it right now, you know? Incredible. Yeah. Top tier stuff. Sometimes the biggest are the best, you know? So yeah, 12 million deserved. And like I said, Unity did this. Game engine. They don't do, you know, animated shorts. It's all about their engine and, you know, what you can do, especially in games and game design. So yeah, it's incredible stuff. Dear Lord. Okay, here we go. Umbrella. Actually, you know what? That's the biggest in terms of views. So I'll do that right after. Fueled. Here we go. Again, we're finishing with a banger. Oops. If these end up being like as sad, if not sadder, trust me, we're ending on an upper. In style. Sheer corgi. What a setup. Man, I wouldn't be surprised if there's no dialogue. Okay, let me just be sure here, okay? It's like it starts right away, right? Okay, I thought the house was on fire in my head. So it's a breaking and entering. Probably, yeah, breaking and entering. It went wrong. Maybe somebody died. Let's go. What a start. Couldn't have been a worse police sketch, you know what I mean? Brutal stuff to look at. Would you give him the devil eyes? There were swirls of despair within the eye. Oh, she's a little girl at that? Okay, no, it's probably a flashback. Damn it. Killed her, man. Revenge. Sorry, I'm into this, to be honest. The design is incredible. It's just like real world in all its disgustingness with animals. Man, good luck. Damn it, she had 10 seconds. Ah. That cigarette, man. Tense.
Whisper that you love me too. Keep the love light glowing in your eyes so through. Let me call you sweetheart.
This is even darker than the first one. That got me hard. If I was old, I would have had a heart attack right there. Trust me, we're going back.
911, what's your emergency? Hello? 911, help? Are you there? I'm
It's like months of work. The only way you can follow perfection is with perfection. It's 2 10s in a row. Wind up. Refueled. Fueled. Bounty was a hard 9. This is incredible stuff. Dear Lord. They're living up to the amount of views. And this one's especially special because it has 1.2 mil. The creator only has 40,000 subs, and this is their first and only video. So the only way this gets that many views is if it gets shared, and for good reason. You know, dear Lord. The concept alone is pretty crazy. And yeah, oh crap, I forgot to, this was important to me. That 2 seconds of animation, that's anime, like, best action scene. It's insane. This is like a culmination, you know? And it's literally a second. Nope, after this. Get in there. Right here. Ready? See that? That is crazy. It is a split second, and it holds the power to give a heart attack. It's all built up to this moment, literally. Oops, sorry, that's too slow. That's it. What is that? I don't know how many frames, but my God, you feel it. You know, that's animation. That's the power of it. It can give heart attacks. So. Sorry, I'm so pumped. This is like crazy stuff. So we're going to do this one first. Are You Okay? For almost 5 million views. Done by the Fight Child Abuse. You know what I mean? So this is going to be serious. But I'm guessing, you know, can't be too bad. It's going to have a good ending. And then we're going to end with Umbrella, which is by far the most high number of views. Then we're going to finish with Pibby, which is Insanity. You know what I mean? If all this was sad, this is like, I don't know, crazy, apparently. So here we go. Are You Okay? Dear Lord, this looks amazing. I love the disparate styles between all these shorts is crazy. This is why I love this so much. Animated shorts will never let you down because you never know what to expect. Damn, how did it splash so much? It's probably metaphorical goop.
Oh my God, it got right on his head. It's so pathetic.
I love those videos where a kid like this just like is tired of it, just wrestles one of them, you know, slams them to the ground. Those are always classic.
Dessert, buddy.
I appreciate you bringing this to my attention, Raquel. Noah has a, history of incidents.
She's
Mind you,
snitching.
the quiet ones always get picked on. We take bullying very seriously. We can't police the internet, of course, but I'll make a report of it.
Oh, ain't the only one that noticed. It's like an entire school of villains. Again, I don't mean these to be this dark. They just happen to be the most...
Oh
I
my
don't
gosh, I'm
sorry.
so sorry. Hey. Are you okay?
Hey, Raquel. Raquel.
Kel? Kel? You're kind of quiet.
It was like a day or two.
Those kids still bothering you? Hey, just don't let those jerks on the internet get to you. You're lucky. Nowadays, you can just block them. Case closed.
Boomer dad. Man. You know it's bad when they create memes about you, you know? He's just eating a sandwich. Man, that's mean.
Are you okay?
Hey. Are you okay?
Man, this sucks.
I'm really feeling that one.
I know, right?
Man, I love the silence. Cause yo, it's not easy to talk, you know what I mean? It is if you're feeling great. It's not if you're feeling like crap. Yeah, I love the silence. The silence is the best part. Cause what do you say, you know what I mean? Especially if you don't know each other. It's cool. Especially for kids, right? So if kids watch this, making some grand speech about feeling better will, you know. Yeah, just helping a bit. That's it. The message. pencil drawing. Sounds nice. Like they accomplished what they set out to do. Cool. We did fight child abuse. I'm sorry, but it's so direct, you know? That is a title. Like, you know, we know what they're doing. There's no guessing. There's no like, no. Here we fight child abuse. That's it. That's our name. That's who we are. Good on them. It's important. I like it on principle, but you know, it's innate. For sure. Oh, I love the silence. The silence blows me away. It's like exactly what was needed. A weaker short would have had like some weird hug or some grand moment, you know, him wrestling one of the bullies to the ground. But yeah, the silence is a more affecting message and a better one. So yeah, last two. Umbrella, the most viewed by far at 17 million, which is crazy. And finally with Pibby, which is also extremely well viewed, it took the internet by storm by being this insane Adult Swim short. So that's what we're ending on. But first, the most viewed of the year, I think. 17 mil. You don't get these kind of numbers by chance, you know? Oops, I always forget, my bad. Hi, Budge. Like, the details on that car are unnecessary. That kid's way too hype about an umbrella. Sister, crush, we don't know. Oh. Orphanage, huh? So sister, you kind of iffy can get with, you know, it's kind of rough. You're obviously not of the same family, but you are brother and sister. I'm saying this because I lived in one for a few months, or else I wouldn't be making this joke, but yeah. Relationships gets complicated in an orphanage. Man, this is young kids too. He's like drinking the rain off the umbrella. And where's this going? Again, most viewed is baffling to me right now. Does want her to leave, probably.
Hmm?
paper. At least it looks like. And he didn't even knock on the door. Like, I can see why it got the views. Not only is it a refugee story, but it's never shown that directly before. I'm sorry. I gotta say, that's a funny ending. Man, he never came back. That means he died out there in the wilds, you know? Oh. I mean, if he's that old, it's impossible. He would be dead. He's like crazy old. Going with this. Man, his wound, you know what I mean? This is brutal stuff. Ow, don't put your hand in there. Man, this is a crazy one. Don't tell me that's the ending. Wow. Okay, so that's why. But, man, he held on to that abandonment his whole life to such a brutal degree that it might, like, kill him. At the end, he's like 80 years old, and he's like, still. And yeah, I told you, man, he ended up with his sister, technically, his orphanage sister, you know? I'm telling you, relationships in there are complicated. If you're not family, but your family, where is the line? Oh man, but yeah, I think it's the craziness of it all. But yeah, him opening an umbrella shop just because of that. The refugee stuff is pretty interesting, but you never seen a scene where the father abandons the child that directly. Is, I think, the biggest point of contention. Your dreams online. Such weird bots. But like Meet the Robinsons is one of my favorite examples because it's such a great Disney film that not many people have seen. But it's all about that. It's about a kid, same thing, being abandoned at the orphanage, but him, it's as a baby. And he wants to go back in time to see his father. Literally just see him. Or his mother in this case. And in the end, he chooses not to. Because it's not worth it, you know? And in that case, it was a baby. So you never see the mother. You never see, like, you know. But there, it's crazy. He's like 6 years old. It's like, sorry, son. Here's my scarf. Peace. You get to watch me walk away. You know, forever. Forever. So yeah, it's anti-abandonment. Somewhat shows you the plight of a refugee. I don't know. It's all over the place. But 17 million? That's crazy. That's crazy. I'd give that a, I don't know. Give it an 8, to be honest, just because of some aspects are pretty cool. But yeah, it's all over the place. Anyway, so here we are. The final. Learning with Pibby, baby. It looks like a cheery cartoon. But trust me, it could not be farther from the truth, because I've seen some bits on Twitter, not even bits, but like the insanity of when this came out and how crazy people were going on Twitter and talking about it. 14 million, again, Adult Swim, makers of Rick and Morty, etc., etc. So this should be crazy. And not only that, but it's extremely short. It's only 2 minutes and 38 seconds. So here we go. The main event. Merry Christmas. Never say I didn't get you anything. Here's some Pibby for you. And again.
Learning with Pibby, learning is so fun. We like to spell and we love to hug. Learning with Pibby.
We ain't got time to waste.
What is that? Pibby, I'm scared.
That's a start.
Don't worry, Bun Bun. I'll always keep you safe.
We're finishing some work.
With Pibby, learning is so fun. We love to spell and we love to hug.
I discovered whole other worlds that are nothing like mine.
Oh, you're gonna love it here. Yabba-dabba-doo!
And we're all under attack.
Dang.
What's that red water? I've never seen that before. Shh, quiet.
How are they escaping
There's
copyright
no
with this stuff?
superheroes left. We're the only ones who can save the universe.
But I'm just a sidekick.
And I'm a villain. Look, kid, do you really think we're going to save the universe with the power of love?
That's a great idea. We'll use the power of love. Come on! I know we're not heroes, but maybe we can learn.
Learning with Pibby, learning is so fun. We like to spell and we like to hug. Learning is so fun.
Lion made it. A lot of the animals. We're going back to that.
Won't you come learn with me?
That hard cut? Come on, guys. You know better. You know better. Ah, damn it. It kind of ruins it, you know? It hurts it. But dear Lord. That right here. Yeah, right here. So yeah. The survivors here. So you got Jack survived, baby. Samurai Jack. You know it. You know it. But yeah, it's a lot of the the pets, if not the smaller characters. Buttercup. Come on, Buttercup. But yeah, it's crazy. And yeah, Lion from Steven Universe and Dog's wife in Adventure Time. I forget her name right here. But yeah, the one who speaks Korean. Amazing, amazing. But yeah, that hard cut literally ruins it. It's pretty crazy. Because it's the 10, and then you hard cut.
You come learn
Just
with
cause.
me?
Boom. That is a bad cut. Just because you need the views on other videos. And it's your most popular video. So I understand. But man, you should know better. You should have put credits. You should have put something. Because that is... Oh, man, that hurts. Anyway. So I didn't want to end on a hurting note. But that's it. These are 5 amazing shorts. As you've seen, biggest doesn't mean the best. But sometimes it does. As it did for most of these. 2 10 out of 10s. We got WindUp. Yes. And, of course, Fueled. Which were insane. Insane. All the others were 9 or 8s. This, I'd give it a 9 just because, again, the ending, you ruined it. You ruined it. Like, if you show this to somebody, this is the best source. Like, you cannot get it anywhere else. So that will always happen. Man, you ruin your own art. I've never seen that. It's like having a perfect painting, and literally in the corner, you just, like, splatter some red or something. You know what I mean? A blob. It ruins it. It ruins it. So, yeah, that's it. As for everybody, happy holidays. Tomorrow is Encanto. Encanto was available for the last 2 days. So yeah, it's free on Disney Plus. Please go check it out. I will go into spoilers. We will do all of the soundtrack. We will do a tier list. Trust me, it's a strong, strong player. Again, the music made by Lin-Manuel Miranda. And we'll go from there. But that's tomorrow. So until next time, love and respect. These are amazing. Animated shorts are the best. And I'll see you next time.